Karen Lozier, the co-author of Metabolic Cooking, and I'm also known as the Lean Kitchen Queen. If you're watching this right now, that means one thing. You're on a mission to accelerate fat loss and get rid of your boring diet. You've been there and done that. You've tried other diets in the past and have come to see less than stellar results, likely despite some of your best efforts. You're also a busy person and you don't have time to spend hours in the kitchen preparing your meals every day. Now you're looking for something else, something new, something fresh, and something that will actually work for a change. The good news is that you found me, and I am now here to help you. I am more confident, healthier, and my life is infinitely more enjoyable. Leah Miller says, Dave and Karen's unique approach allowed me to hit fat loss goals I never thought possible. And that with the advice and techniques he's learned, he can now continue to implement and to maintain his abs all year round. Also, Tess Drizzy says, 3 short months after I started metabolic cooking, I had amazing ab lines. My hips and thighs were exactly what I'd always dreamed they'd be, and I was fitting into pants I hadn't worn since high school. Hasn't Liam and Tess are just 3 of our students, and we've helped hundreds of others achieve the results they want. It is very possible you'll have a story like these 3 metabolic cooking students in just a few months. Listen to what the pros are saying. John Romaniello, New York City's top celebrity fitness trainer, says, metabolic cooking is unreal because it's just that good. Discover what to eat, how to make it, and how to make it taste good. Australia's #1 transformation coach Belinda Ben says, for me, these recipes remove all the guesswork with the at-a-glance metabolic nutri profile, so I can easily mix and match my meals. And yes, they are super fast to prepare, using everyday foods, with lots of variety and of course, delicious. Now, it's time to share it with the world, and we are more than excited about it. Just click the button below to get started now. I'm Karen Lozier, and on behalf of Dave Ruel and myself, I wish you great success in achieving your fitness goals.